All right, welcome back now to the Good Morning Naija show. And yes, if you just join me, well, you don't miss our top story segment and you don't miss our newspaper headline review. But we're not to, we never to miss a lot because we still get some kind of conversations we want to do this morning. We start off with our first, our guest who we'll go with this morning, and a very, very special conversation we get. This one about the movement of the able minds of Nigerian people where they move from one country to other countries because of in search of greener pasture. If we look at them like that, if we put them in that context, you know, say people they come up for here with great minds, they carry themselves, they go other countries because the economy here nothing really cater to their own needs or their expectations. So a lot of things they involved. So this morning we talk to one better economist. His name is Davis Chijoke, and he go follow us here on this matter this morning. Oga Davis, welcome to the Good Morning Naija show. Oga Davis, you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. They hear me.
All right, loud and clear. Welcome, my brother. How you doing?
Hi, good morning.
All right, happy Easter. They talk and make it for no lost. All right, so make we even jump into this matter as it be. First of all, people they want to understand brain drain. Wait concern brain drain with our economy. How the matter take be? If you just shed light on top of that one, maybe people even understand as the level take start from. Because I don't give them a small breakdown of what they even yarn about. So make we even talk from there. So before we enter the questions with the for here, how you want to explain for us?
So the brain, be like big matter anyway. So it just means people where they move like don't much particular field, or we don't get skilled knowledge in some particular field, they move out of the country and other, for a better development, better culture. So people they move because of favorable working condition, others because of standard of living, also professional advancement. People don't they to take time move so that they feel no more. So for students, they try to move because they want to understand other part of the world, get to understand other culture, tradition, and see other aspect of life outside the Nigerian context,
Yeah.
And say we don't believe say once come up for this country like this, don't solve.
But looking
so
at
people just want to move out, maybe to also test.
Go test how it take be for outside. Yeah, but looking at the situation of the country, it can't be like say when person go outside, go test, they know they won't come back. They will just say, as you don't go test like that, more your day there, they test, they go. And the way that one self, they affect the home where we did. So what do you feel say? You feel say people suppose they consider to even, if you want go test, but come back with the knowledge where they go get for there. But it doesn't seem to be happening. And why you think say this thing they share like that?
And they don't say picking where they give sugar. I know they like the way. So if you don't travel, you see say that place better pass here. Most times to come back is very difficult. And I mean, if you don't come out, so you can't see better life. You can't come back to the country because say the system no you work out for you. You go if you say I don't take the stay come to this country, I go did that place they try work out things because that system for there already set the things that they design or the white say once you don't come to take anything software, you don't make maybe within 2 to 3 months, you don't really do okay for you. But when you come back to the country, I mean, everything just difficult. After school, like you see the fine work, everything just hard for you. You don't finish school, come out with a good grade. You see it's difficult to get job. But once you travel out to the country like this, it's just the level for you. So it's difficult to come back again or start over.
You make one very, very good conversation just now. You talk saying that the design where they outside, where they don't set, where they work for them. Now, speaking about the design now, we believe, say, our own economy, suppose, they look all these designs where they outside, they modulate them, they follow them up. Why we know they copy these designs where they work for outside, inside our own country, so that our people know go they move like that? Okay, David, you hear me? Okay, people like say the connection don't been break, but we'll try to connect back to Oga Davis and make we get this conversation this morning because some people, if you tell them, say, bros, the way you did here, you go work for here, they know 1 year. And I don't start saying, as I don't go outside, go see RCB, I know they come back this country. And that one said they affect with economic growth because people know they come back with the knowledge they don't get for there to help the economy grow. So we'll say make we follow Oga Davis Chijoke on this matter. Oga Davis, you hear me now? Welcome back. Hello?
I hear you, I hear you.
Okay, correct. Yes, good. So I've been talk say you been make one very clear statement about say the design where they outside. Now they make the people where they Naija they go there go run things. We can they say why our economic design we no copy them from these other people design where they work for. They say not be the same thing or say that their own design no fit just work for Nigeria or waiting if you say be the problem gone regarding this design issue.
So more as for economy, waiting they work for one side, if you no work for another place.
Okay.
Okay, because Nigerians not normally we just dey difficult. So if you compare how they work for that place, come bring them down home to make our work. I mean, the design for Africa, for Nigeria again, are just most times the key dreams. You see some firms we don't start up today, they don't they pick up after like 2-3 months or 3 years. Design they don't already crash down. See companies like everything.com, even OP, just use OP as an instance. Now, if we just start, even use 4 years, they just crash down. But then over there, the design just like they encourage more of capitalism. They encourage more of make you people they establish things. But for if you start up something, before the government don't bring out legislation and say, oh, just try kill this dream, And then look at things what they face for this country now. Talk about headsmen, insecurity, kidnapping, bombing all around. Or you say last week now, even jets don't disappear. How? A whole jet that was by don't disappear.
Yes, so
there are software that are meant to actually track this kind of things. But in for that time, for the Western world, you hear this kind of things. Even if one year and just little all these minor things, maybe like suicide or murder, they happen. So the design for there just make sure say if people come, they no go won't go. They don't say everybody might fine, but people don't want to know which one they fly. Right? So that the design for that place. So and for Africa, it's just difficult to actually sustain that growth because of how the economy is being just designed to be. So it's rare.
Yeah. No, go ahead. So I go ask you the question I want to. Go ahead.
So, okay. It's rare to actually see firms grow and establish in this country. Now, look at ShopRite to start it before you know it. Rather than the government to actually bring out something to compete with them, the legislation was brought out and ShopRite just crashed. OP2, rather than bring out something to compete with them, to encourage homemade products, they just bring out legislation and before you know it, OP just left out many unemployed. See the NSAS process too. People just they protest up and down, and the government was in it on time. Because after the protest, you don't pass, be careful. Now government can start to the talk. Things like this are not done in other parts of the country.
Okay, so the thing where we want to talk, we say looking at this whole. Okay, looking at this, you've been talking about how if you carry another person design come put for another country, if you no work for Africa. But people come to talk say, shit, they feel saying that the individuals where they carry out these processes now be the issue, not the fact say the design no feel work. You feel say you no feel say the individuals no get hand for this the fact say the systems no feel work for Nigeria. The economic design we did here no feel work for here. Wow, this connection this morning, it break. But you say now, not be our fault. A lot of these things, regards to they do over line because of a lot of we still look into the rules and regulations of things where we sort out for you. And this is not the new normal. We go into do our interviews via Skype, via over the internet. So yes, Oga, David, you don't come back.
Yes. Sorry.
All right. So you've been to talk about how. I mean, they asked this question. Say this is the design. You feel say not be the people where it is not an individual problem. Like say it's beyond it being that the fact that the design no feel work. If you carry design from outside, come Nigeria, you feel say the people no get hand in them. The fact say most of our Nigerian youths they move from Nigeria, go out there. Doesn't it have economical implications here also? Okay, wow, this our connection not too strong this morning, but well, I believe we don't get some of the conversations we hear from Oga Davis this morning, and he say, well, the design where they out there, where they make sure the system work for there, not fit work for Nigeria as a people. And I can't ask the question, say, not the people still they operate the design. Maybe not the people get the problem. because it doesn't look like, if it's not design, and design fits, carry the same design, bring and come this side, then the people we suppose operate the design and if they get issues for there. But hey, in don't talk Amasibi, and we know if you just carry design from outside work for Nigeria, but this issue of great minds moving out of the country, now waiting we go see for a period of time as it be. Sadly, very, very sad. But hey, we still there. Because of the connection, we know if we wrap up that conversation better, but we don't get what we want get out of the interview as usual. Now, Oga Davis Chijoke and I will follow Yan and him be very, very well-groomed economist. At least he don't give us better updates on that one.